Scott's in the kitchen. That means that we're talking wonderful things to have for the big game for our friends over at Texas Roadhouse. I'm so glad you're in, and you did. You brought my favorite ranch.
I did. Well, the only ranch. My ranch is your favorite ranch.
There you go, Scott. That's right. We're doing pork sliders, and so we're going to kind of walk all the way through the process. So tell me what we have.
It's really easy. I'm going to jam this into 3 minutes. You guys are going to be like, oh my God, look how fast Scott can talk. This is this is pork shoulder or pork butt.
Okay.
This is actually pork butt, what we have right here, okay? You're going to generously season that, whatever that seasoning look like. If you want to go on to TexasRoadhouse.com, if you want to come by my store, we can certainly sell you what we use if you like what I've got going on there.
Why would you want to use anything else? You guys
it's
kind of
really
perfected
good.
that, didn't
you know, as long, I mean, some people that, you know, they've been doing this a long time, they've got their recipes of sugar and salt and pepper and garlic this and onion that. But it's pretty much what we have in ours for the most part. As much
I
as
like
I can
it
tell
because
you
there's a little bit of sweet and heat in it, and it's not too overpowering on any of those flavors.
It exactly is, especially once you mix it with the barbecue. So if you're noticing, you want to make sure, you want to overseason. I'm actually underdoing it. You want it to be like you've rolled it in a sandy beach, basically.
Okay.
And then I'm going to create, if you don't have a smoker at home, I have here is like a drip set. So there's a little bit of air to create, a little bit of liquid smoke, a little bit of water in there. Put my seasoned pork butt back in the pan.
So it never touches the liquid. The liquid is
never
underneath
touches
it.
the liquid. And I'm actually, you'll notice, Andy, I'm putting the pork in fat side up. That way, as it's cooking, the fat is melting down over the product. Absolutely.
To the meat. Okay.
So I don't have my foil near me for some reason, but you definitely want to create a tight seal.
And you do that. You double seal it, right? You do it
double
with the clear.
seal. I'll do plastic wrap, and then I will double seal it in foil.
Okay.
Because if you don't keep that lock, you're going to lose the whole smoking process going on in the pan right there.
And then at this point, is if you were back at Texas Roadhouse, you would take and you'd slide that into the smoker.
Low
so how long do you let it sit in?
225. We cook it until you get to an internal temperature about 190 or 200 degrees. Okay. Whatever that looks like. Everybody's oven is a little different.
Now, our oven, we've had it going, so we've got the meat and we'll pull out. Now I got to tell you, Scott is recouping from a football injury of his own. You tore an ACL playing football. I know. I needed to make sure that people didn't think that, you know.
You were beating me up off camera.
Yeah, I didn't kind of elbow you there, but you're on the comeback, though.
Yeah, it's okay. Surgery on Thursday, so if you guys want to send flowers, I don't know what hospital I'll be at, but you can send those over.
GoFundMe, whatever.
Care of Scott at Texas Roadhouse. So 200 degrees, I would cook that in a 225 degree oven.
Great.
Somewhere between 4, 5, 6. It really just depends on your oven, honestly.
Slow and low.
Slow and low. You could overcook it overnight. So if you don't want to mess with it, you could do this Saturday before the big game, and then Sunday morning get up, have it in the oven if your oven can handle going that low and that slow. And when it's done, it literally, and just look at how that comes off. Can you see that? Look how that breaks apart. That's amazing, right?
And you know what it reminds me? It reminds me of your ribs. Like anytime I touch your ribs, like the meat just falls off the bone.
Yeah, they literally, that's part of our story is that our legendary fall off the bone ribs. They take 3 days to make those puppies, by the way.
3 days?
Yeah. So
don't try to make them at home. You can do call-in orders, can't you?
Absolutely. We've got that. You know, I was looking at my Facebook feed, and 2 years ago we were here together this day, and we talked about building that to-go door that I have now. So you can access that on the east side of the building. Come in through that new awning that I built, and the to-go door is right there. It makes it so much easier. We've got an app you can order online. We do everything we can to make it easier for you folks.
You can do their dinner rolls, which that with the butter that you guys have.
The honey cinnamon butter doesn't suck, does it?
No, it doesn't. Oh, it's so good. I'll tell you what, we're going to finish this recipe right after this. Don't go anywhere. We've got more from our friends from Texas Roadhouse in the kitchen in a minute.